Very good morning student. This is your class for economics, and in this class we are going to discuss about the MCQs of your chapter balance of payment, that is of unit 5. So the first is, an Indian company receives loan from abroad. We have taken loan from abroad. How it will be shown in Indian balance of payment? It will be shown in credit side of capital account. As I have already told you that assets and liability will be treated in the capital account because they are long term items. Now you have received the money. So whatever you received, you will credit that. On other hand, you have created a liability over there, and liabilities are also credited. So by using both the rules, you will have to credit this loan amount. Second is, foreign student coming to India for their studies will affect balance of payment account of India under credit side of current account. How? Because these students come to India and then they will pay certain fees in India. That will be income for Indian economy, or we will be treating it in current account. Why? Because fees will be paid on reoccurring basis. Next is, which of the following category are included in balance of payment on current account? Balance of payment on current account. The answer is C plus inflow and outflow of transfer. Now let's check what is C. C is B plus inflow and outflow of income. Now let us check what is B. B is import and export of goods and services. Yes, that will be included. Inflow and outflow of income, that is also to be included. Inflow and outflow of transfer. So all these things are to be included. This and this one. Okay. 25th, foreign exchange transaction depend on foreign exchange transaction dependent on another foreign exchange transaction are called accommodating account transaction, because they are accommodating each other. Next is, balance of payment include which of the following? Balance of payment, sources of foreign exchange are also included in it, and use of foreign exchange is also included in it, because in this we are dealing with foreign exchange. So if we are earning it, we are getting it from any source, or we are using it on any source, then both will be in balance of payment. Which of the following includes balance of trade? As you all know, balance of trade is only for visible item, and balance of payment is for visible as well as invisible item. Which of the following item is not included in balance of payment on current account? So merchandise of goods, merchandise of service, transfer payment, all things are to be recorded, but exchange of foreign investment, that is a asset. That is a asset, and assets are recorded in capital account and not in current account. Balance of payment include which of the following? Balance of payment include items of balance of payment on capital account and current account. So yes, both are included in it. Next is, gold reserve and foreign exchange reserve are included in which type of balance of payment account? Look, gold reserve and foreign exchange reserve both are long term items. We don't use gold reserve within a one day or within a month. These are long term items. These will be treated in capital account. Next is, remuneration paid to foreign experts is included in which of the following? Like you are paying remuneration, that will be paid on monthly basis. So yes, current account balance of payment. Royalty and commission, that will be paid on recurring basis. So yes, balance of payment on current account. Balance of payment deficit is the excess of. It is the excess of what? So whenever you have more payments than you have received, then it will be deficit. So yes, autonomous payment over autonomous receipts, when your payments is higher than your receipt, then you will be having deficit. Next is, foreign exchange transaction independent of another transaction in the balance of payment account are called autonomous transaction. Like you know, autonomous means one. They are independent, hence autonomous. If the question is about dependent, then accommodating transaction is the answer. The final is, capital account in the balance of payment account involves, capital account in the balance of payment involves financial assets and liabilities of the country. Whatever asset or liabilities you are creating from foreign country, that will be included here. Okay. I hope you understood this concepts of all the MCQs. Have a very good day.